This is how to quickly add symbols to the red list. Now we are in the Bitcoin chart right now, and you scroll up to the status line. You see here there's a small flag symbol with no color on it. You click on it and it automatically flagged it with the red color. Now where do we go and find this? We go to watch lists, red list, here it is, BTC USD, as well as a bunch of other symbols that I previously tagged with the red symbol. But maybe I don't want it to be flagged with the red symbol. I go back, I click again, and I have choice, blue, green, yellow, any color I want, and I click on yellow. Now the symbol is flagged with the yellow color. Where do I find it? I go back, here it is, yellow color. But yellow, orange, whatever, but maybe I want another color. I want it to be flagged with blue. I go back to the watch list, no blue. Why? Because the blue list was not favorited. So if I click on blue list, I see it here, but I don't see the blue list here for fast use. So I go back, I find the blue list, I add to favorites, and here it is. I have orange, red, blue, any other list that I want to favorite, and I can manage my normal watch lists and my color lists like that. So this is how you can manage your color flag lists on TradingView.